Welcome to the daily technology briefing from Intelligency Technology. We are covering the latest developments in artificial intelligence, global markets, and environmental tech today. The geopolitical landscape of AI hardware is shifting as NVIDIA H200 chips reach China through small but significant shipments. Reports confirm that ByteDance and Tencent have each received roughly 10,000 processors in recent weeks. While export controls remain tight, a few other Chinese technology firms could soon secure similar shipments. This development suggests that the supply chain for advanced AI computing is finding ways to bypass restrictions. It implies that China's domestic demand for high-performance chips will continue to grow despite international limitations. Startup Etched has seen its valuation double to $21 billion within a single month. Jane Street installed its first shipped AI cluster system and was so impressed that it led another massive funding round. This rapid growth highlights the increasing demand for specialized AI infrastructure in high-frequency trading. The success of Etched demonstrates that efficiency in model inference is becoming a critical differentiator for startups. Investors are clearly recognizing the value proposition of hardware-optimized systems over generic cloud solutions. Sam Altman stated that ChatGPT will receive a massive upgrade within the next 6 months. With this update, users will be able to connect the AI directly to vital daily services including email, text messages, documents, and Slack. He warned that this capability could mean the AI watches users all the time as it manages their digital tasks. This integration represents a fundamental shift from conversational interfaces to proactive service management. The implication is that our interaction with technology will become increasingly invisible and seamless. 29 U.S. states are seeking huge damages in a case against Facebook and Instagram that began today. The authorities are restricting data centers amid an AI boom, focusing heavily on child privacy concerns. In 1994, more than 40 states came together to sue Big Tobacco for similar deceptive practices. This historical parallel underscores the severity of the claims regarding addictive design and misleading data practices. The trial aims to force Meta to overhaul its platforms specifically for young users to ensure better protection. Cerebras has launched a new server chip and system designed specifically to speed up AI chatbots. Their hardware competes directly with NVIDIA by targeting the portion of AI called inference, which is the computing process of generating an answer in a chatbot. This innovation addresses the bottleneck where current systems struggle to generate responses quickly enough for real-time conversation. By optimizing the inference phase, Cerebras aims to reduce latency and improve the user experience significantly. This move positions them as a serious competitor in the rapidly expanding AI hardware market. Baidu's CEO has vowed to return its ERNIE large language model to the AI frontier after a revenue miss sunk shares. Its ERNIE model has gone months without a major upgrade while competitors like Alibaba and Moonshot have continued rolling out newer versions of their models. The company faces pressure to innovate faster to retain market relevance in the Chinese AI sector. Analysts suggest that stagnation in model development is becoming a critical risk for Baidu's future growth. They must catch up with rivals who are aggressively updating their capabilities. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is now available at 1,33,000 rupees on Flipkart and Amazon through a specific deal. The effective price is achieved by combining the exchange value offered on an eligible iPhone 16 with a discount linked to the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. Consumers must meet eligibility criteria to access this reduced pricing structure for the latest flagship device. This promotion encourages trade-in behavior and leverages banking partnerships to drive hardware sales. It offers a strategic opportunity for users looking to upgrade their current devices. A new UK trial hopes to reduce condensation trails from planes, which contribute significantly to warming in the atmosphere. These vapor trails act as sky graffiti by trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere and exacerbating climate change. AI technology is being deployed to help pilots avoid creating these emissions during flight paths. The goal is to mitigate the environmental impact of aviation without compromising travel efficiency. This initiative represents a crucial step toward greener transportation solutions for the future. This concludes today's bulletin from Intelligency Technology. Follow us for the next bulletin covering more tech insights.